Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm going to discuss very important topic which is called prime factorization. So there are two methods. I will discuss both methods separately. One is called factor tree method and the other is called repeated division method. So both methods are used for finding prime factor for doing the prime factorization of any number. So let's take an example of uh, let's say 45. So let's do prime factorization of 45 by both methods so that you are clear that how these both methods work and if the answer from both methods are coming same or not. So for factor tree method, as the name suggests that it is there is formation of tree in this method. So if we are doing prime factorization of 45, so by factor tree method it means that at every step of this tree you need to split the number in two parts such that one part is the smallest prime number this number can the smallest prime factor this number can have. So 45 is the smallest prime number we all know is 2. So 45 is not divisible by 2 because last digit is odd. So 2 is not having any chance. So what about 3? Divisibility of 3 says that add sum of the digits should be divisible. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 can be the first factor in which we can split. So 3 into 15 is 45. So I can split 45 into two parts, 3 and 15. So if we multiply 3 and 15, we will get back 45. So now 3 cannot be splitted further because it is already a prime number, but 15 is not a prime number, so I can split 15 into two parts. 15 is not divisible by 2, so but it is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. So now all the ends of this tree are having prime factors. So the prime factorization of 45 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So prime factorization means that basically splitting a number into multiples of its prime factors. So this method is called factor tree method. The second method is repeated division method. This is also very interesting method. So when we will find HCF and LCM of numbers, we will prefer repeated division method instead of factor tree method because it is more compact and you can work efficiently in this method. So in division, as the name suggested, that you need to keep dividing in this method. So but with which number you will divide? You will always divide with prime numbers. So the first prime number is 2. 45 is not divisible by 2, so I will move on to next prime number, which is 3. So I will divide it with 3. 3 15s are 45. I can still divide with 3, so 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1s are 5. So repeated division method means that keep dividing the number with its prime factors unless it is fully divisible. So here in this method, this is your answer. So 45 can be written as the multiple of its prime factors, 3 into 3 into 5. So here I am at this point I am introducing another term which is called index notation. Index notation is writing uh, in form of powers. Like for example, there are two threes here in factorization of 45. So I can, instead of writing them two times, I can write 3 square into 5. This 3 square means that 3 is multiplied 2 times. So index notation means that writing in forms of power. If the base is same, so you can add the powers. So here the power of all the numbers is 1. So that's why we can write 3 to the power 2 or 3 square, and 5 will, because 5 is coming only one time, so it will remain 5 to the power 1. This is called index notation. So that's all for this video. We will practice prime factorization more in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.